Since we build a lot of Infusionsoft membership sites or Memberium membership sites, we get a lot of requests for Buddyboss. And what people are really asking for is the Buddyboss social learner for LearnDash. And it's a very specific request. Now, let's talk about what Buddyboss is. Buddyboss is a theme that's built by the people from BuddyPress. Now, BuddyPress is a forum that you can very easily add to WordPress and enables you to have discussions on your website. And what you typically do is you create topics related to each of the sections or each of the modules of your learning program. So let's say you have a marketing section, and then you have an organizational section, an administration section, whatever different topics you're covering, you then have a forum topic where people can have those discussions. And it's a really effective way to build a community, to have people interact, to have someone who's maybe farther along in a program to help those that aren't as far along. And a lot of times it's a huge help to your customer service teams, because you'll have learners that are farther along in the learning process teaching the people that are farther behind. So it's a great combination. Now, another way to do that would be to create a Facebook group. And you get all the benefits of Facebook group, a lot of the connectivity that you get because people can be on their phones, because people can get notified when people make comments on a thread that they're talking on, all the benefits of Facebook. Now, the disadvantage is you don't own any of that content. You don't have a lot of control over how that content can be used later. And the format is, well, it's Facebook. So good, bad, or indifference is what it is. So this allows you to pull it in. Now, when you use the social learner from LearnDash, you get, first of all of LearnDash, which is a very organized learning management system, an LMS, built into your WordPress site. It's, if you're using it with Memberium, which is what we typically do, it's going to be connected to Infusionsoft. So you get a lot of the benefits that go with that. But what the BuddyPress theme does, or the Buddyboss theme does, is allows you to bring together the forum. So instead of it just being another page on your site, and we've built a lot of sites like that, it becomes pretty much the basis or the foundation for the whole site. So you'll see sites with Buddyboss that have a right and a left sidebar. On the left, you typically will include course navigations and other content navigation information. On the right side, you have a lot of information about communicating among the members. So you can list all the members, or maybe the members that are most active, the members that have commented most recently. You can click right into someone's profile, and then you see everything that person's published about themselves, their name, their bio, their picture, whatever it is that you want people to share within their profiles. When you arrive on their section, you have the ability to follow them. You have the ability to like some of their content. So it has a lot of that social media, Facebook kind of features that's really convenient. What you're wanting to do is to create a tribe or a community of people all talking about your course. And again, these people can be supporting yourselves. Now, I do want to warn you, Buddyboss is not the right solution for everyone. First of all, if you cannot get your tribe or your people, or you don't want to have your people talking to each other, then don't use this theme, because it's going to have a lot of features that you're basically going to have to turn off or kind of move aside, which, by the way, is a difficult thing to do. We've done it for some clients, but you're basically turning off the basic features. That's the reason why you bought BuddyPress or Buddyboss to begin with. So if you don't want a forum, if you can't really get everybody in your program to use the forum, then I highly recommend against using the Buddyboss theme. But if community building is what you're after, and you have the energy, the resources, and that is a key component of your program, then Buddyboss has a lot of features that if you tried to use another theme or another WordPress approach, you'd really have to be building things that are built right into it. Now, Buddyboss Social Learner for LearnDash is not just a theme. It's a theme, and there's a number of plugins that come with it. They provide you with all the instructions and a lot of detail that goes into getting it configured correctly, so that you get all the benefits that it's intended to give you. I throw it out there that this is one of the things that we do. We've worked on these, and we understand how all those components work together. So it's not for the faint of heart, but it is very doable, and the instructions are very clear. But if you did want to outsource it to us, we'd be glad to help you. So I hope this overview of Buddyboss has come in handy. Let us know what you think.